Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Crusader Kings 2 Game of Thrones mod. First, ensure you have Crusader Kings 2 and its major downloadable content installed, as many features rely on them. Next, download the Game of Thrones mod from its official forum, typically a file around 100 megabytes. Extract these files into your Crusader Kings 2 mod folder, usually found in your documents. Finally, open the game launcher and select the Game of Thrones mod from the list before starting your new campaign. Once in-game, you'll choose from hundreds of characters across the 7 kingdoms, each with distinct starting positions and challenges. Pay close attention to your character's 5 core attributes: martial, diplomacy, intrigue, stewardship, and learning, as these dictate their strengths. The mod introduces unique ambition and plot systems, allowing you to scheme for titles, forge alliances, or even assassinate rivals. Understanding these mechanics is crucial for navigating the treacherous political landscape of Westeros. Diplomacy is key in Westeros. You'll interact with hundreds of characters, forming alliances through strategic marriages to secure your dynasty's future. The expanded intrigue system allows for intricate plots, from fabricating claims to assassinating rivals, requiring careful planning and a strong spy master. Your council of 5 advisors, including your Master of Laws and Master of Coin, plays a vital role in managing your lands and ensuring stability across your domains. Warfare is an inevitable part of ruling. You can raise armies, sometimes exceeding 20,000 men, to defend your lands or press your claims on new titles. Succession in Westeros is complex, with unique laws for the Iron Throne and other kingdoms, often leading to civil wars. Be prepared for major events like the return of the White Walkers beyond the Wall or potential Targaryen restorations, which can dramatically alter the political map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.